Today we're going to be building this Creator 3-in-1 set, starting with the A build, the exotic parrot, then the fish, and finishing with the frog. There are a lot of colorful pieces in this set. Let's see what kind of value it offers. The base for the parrot to perch on is more detailed than expected. The flowers here are reminiscent of the botanical sets. The tail can move up and down. I wish that the head could rotate, but it is fixed. The wings don't open out much, but do hinge forward or backward in nearly a complete circle. But if you do want to play with the parrot separate from the stand, you'll have to separate it at the knee, or have it fly around with the branch in its claws. I know this set is meant to be a display piece, but I think it would be a worthwhile improvement to be able to play with the parrot separate from the stand. This is the core of the fish build. Everything attaches to that. The fish can tilt on its stand but not rotate, and the fins are adjustable at the ball joints. The tree elements being used for web feet is very clever. The jaw and the hind legs of the frog are hinged, but the front legs are fixed. The parrot is the main build here, and the one that I want to put on display in my collection.